My breakfast actually is simple. I normally take tea and bread and a banana for 3 days a week. But during the hard days, like also 3 days a week, I'm taking tea, some fruits, also banana and an egg.
Breakfast, I usually take a cup of tea and chapati. And in lunch, like today, it's rice with beans.
At 4 o'clock after the evening rant, and I took porridge at uji. In the evening, I normally eat a staple food for Kenya, that's sukali, beef stew plus some either sukuma or cabbage, and then maybe have a glass of mursid, sometimes normal milk. Mursid is fermented milk. If you actually take it, then it will speed up the digestion.
If you have appetite for avocado, we go and bought it, maybe 1 or 2, only for appetizer, but not every day that you eat avocado.
I'm a Kenyan and I really like avocado.
Fish with chapati or ugali, even kuku sometimes. I like some of the fruits like banana, orange, mango, and watermelon.
I take chocolates once in a while, not really bad, but I take French fries once in a while. I don't drink alcohol. My conscience cannot allow me to drink alcohol.
Food is that food only, nothing I can change. If it's ugali, I can eat ugali up to the last moment.
80% of the food that I've been eating for the last 10 years are the same, but we inject sometimes like more proteins to replace the teared tissues in the body, especially after the hard sessions.